Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And kung baguhan ka pa lang, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is gagawa tayo ng makeup look under 3-minute challenge using 4 products only. So let's go. So I'm done with my skincare and I'm going to use this skin tint from Lux Organics. This is from Sun Serum.
How to paint?
Yeah. No. So, kahit sana magawa ko siya within 3 minutes. So, this is perfect for everyday look. Ayan. Next is this one from Focalord. They're all-in-one makeup palette in the shade PC04. I'm going to use this shade on my eyes. No.
Paint it with orange?
No.
Please.
No.
Paint it.
Later na, bebe.
Paint it with orange? Paint it with pink?
Wala din ang gagamitin ko sa aking
Enough! I think it's enough.
aking cheeks.
I think it's enough.
Bawal Yan, maganda to siya pang everyday look guys kasi super light niya lang. Bawal. Yan, dinagdagan ko lang ng konti. Yan. Go out. Yan, ito na din yung sa ating lips. Ang problema kasi nito guys is hindi ko siya magagawa 3 minutes. And I'm going to do my mascara. Hindi ko siya magagawa ng 3 minutes guys. Para mapipil ako dito. So I'm done. Ayos na natin ating buhok. So, this is my final look, guys. Nagawa ko siya. Hindi ko siya natapos yung 3 minutes kasi nasa 2 minutes and 2 minutes and 48 seconds.
What by me? I don't want glasses.
Yan. So, this is my final look, guys. And, hindi ko na abot yung 3 minutes. And, it's very easy with this all-in-one makeup palette from Focalord. It's very light lang talaga siya, guys. Ayan. So, pwede na siya pang everyday look. Very, very easy makeup look. So, sana nagustuhan niyo itong aking mabilisang video. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!